This is your girl D Lovely, and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, hello. Now, let me just say it is never too early to plan for Christmas. In fact, July is the perfect month to jumpstart your holiday shopping and decorations so you won't feel the rush during the holiday season. During the month of July, Hallmark runs a Christmas special the entire month, and I sit in the house and watch it. So I've been inspired to start my Christmas season off, and I want to inspire you guys to do the same and give you some tips on how you could change it up this upcoming season on the budget. This tree was picked up from the thrift store. I picked it up for only $1. Originally, the tag said $5 from Family Dollar, so evidently somebody must have brought it and never used it. It ended up at the thrift shop and into my home. So guys, right now is a good time to visit your thrift shops for Christmas decorations because you will find a lot of incredible things never used or used for the low. Now the first step that I will be doing is adding in a little bit of greenery to give it a full look to this Christmas tree. And I will also be adding in some red artificial flowers to give it a more decorated look. To give it a more fun, festive look, I added the kitchen strainer in Tiffany blue. That's the theme of the kitchen, and also some more lights to brighten up the Christmas tree. This is where the magic starts happening. I came across this tin metal cookware piece for kids from the Dollar General store, and I thought it was so adorable to put on this Christmas tree for my kitchen. It really took the Christmas tree to a whole nother look. And look at the dessert. Doesn't it look so yummy? But of course we can't eat it. And also the many little decorations. Oh my God, it was really a topper for this tree. So I hope you guys are getting inspired about this tree, because just looking back on it now, I'm like, girl, I cannot wait to finish the house. Also guys, I will be doing a few more videos this month for Christmas because I'm in the spirit, and I just want to go ahead and keep sharing with you ideas so when the time comes you can decorate. If you are new to this channel and you like what you see so far, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will also be having a prize giveaway later on in this month, so make sure you are subscribed and watching, my loves. Until the next time, I will see you later. Take care, and don't forget, be safe out there. And this is how it looks at night. Guys, leave me a comment if you will be decorating this Christmas season. And until later on, I will see you later.